We make shit happen.
This right here is the backbone of this industry. Yes, these amazing women.
There's a lot of work that goes into it, but it's all speed to market.
Hi, I'm Tracy Lapine, National Contractor Sales Leader for Owens Corning. I've worked with Win the Storm for the last several years, helping contractors be more successful in the insurance restoration industry.
You know, I just look at it like this. I stay focused, I keep my head down, I try to make a difference for everybody in my life. You work hard and you keep it all together and it just all comes together. That's my motto and that's just what I do.
I just cut a $505,000 deal and I was like, next.
I love that each of these women create from the ground up.
Hi, my name's Marsha Wright and I work with Roofing Contractor Magazine, and we're really excited about coming back to 2020, Win the Storm. See you there.